In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Drake tickets on Cash App. For Drake's previous tour, they sold them through Cash App, and for the next tour, starting in 2024, they're going to start selling tickets on Cash App as well. First thing you'll need to do is download the app. By the way, if you sign up with the link in the description, you can get $5 for free. If you guys want to see a ton of more videos about Cash App and other finance apps, be sure to subscribe to my channel. After that, you want to go to the search icon, which is Explore on the bottom of the screen. From here, you'll be able to see the information on It's All a Blur tour, Drake with Jcole. Pre-sale starts November 15th. I'm going to tap Learn More and get all the information about this. This is a Cash Card exclusive, so I'll show that in a little bit. But here's all the info about the Drake and Jcole tour. We can click the green button to see the tour dates. This starts January 18th in Denver and goes all the way till March 27th in Birmingham, Alabama. So here's how it works. You need your cash balance in Cash App. You're gonna need the Cash App card. After that, you'll use the first 9 digits of your card to unlock the pre-sale. Then you'll just need to use your Cash App card at checkout to pay. So let's go back here. Go to the Money tab in the bottom left. So in the top left, you're going to see your cash balance. Mine is $47. I did some research on the previous tour and I saw prices anywhere from like $250 to $1,000. So I'm not sure how much the tickets will be, but you're going to need money in your cash balance. If you have your bank and card set up, you can do instant transfer, so it's not that big of a deal to worry about. You'll just need to tap the Add Cash button and then select how much cash you want to add. If it's more than $200, just tap the 3 dots and type in the amount and tap Add. And that will instantly move money from your bank account over to your Cash App. Then you'll have money in your Cash App balance. Next thing you'll need to do is go to the Cash App card screen. If you don't have a card yet, you'll want to go through the steps to order a card. It'll be very simple and take you right through them on this screen. And when you have the card, they'll send you a physical card in the mail. You can then use your card in person or online, like to purchase these Drake tickets. And it's going to take money from your cash balance here in the app. So you have the card. Then you can come to the Explore, go to the Drake tickets. At 11 a.m. you'll be able to come here, November 15th, put in the first 9 digits of your Cash App card, and then pick your venue, pick your seats, and purchase the tickets with your Cash App card. I believe we can even see the options right now. If you tap View Tour Dates, then you can click on Tickets. So it looks like the cheapest is $225 for Denver, and they probably go up depending on which seats you want. Like these ones here closer to the stage are like $1,000, and then you can just tap on whatever one you want and go through these steps to purchase. So there's how to get the Cash Card exclusive Drake tickets starting November 15th 2023. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.